I've got a Delta ShopMaster Drill Press, and the chuck is broken, so we got to take the chuck off and replace it with a new one. So this is a Jacob's size, and it's a 1/2 inch. And so the first thing you want to do is screw it all the way down. There's a little set screw here, and you just turn that, and that keeps it down. The next thing you want to do is you want to wedge this part off right here. So I'm using this, and I move this away and take it, and it comes off. And here it is. This is broken, that this part here was not coming out. So this is trash. Here's our replacement. You put it in a vise, put it in this vise here, clamp it down. We have to remove this part of the spindle. And it's just a friction fit. There it is. This is the replacement head. If you look on it, they are, there's the parts size written. It says JT33. I assume that stands for Jacobs, which is what this size is. And you put it in here, back onto the spindle, and release this so it can go back up. Got it nice and tight. Move this back up here. Turn it down. And then squeeze it on. And there you go. Now you replaced it.